Bes. Ay, okay to.
Just what seems easy doesn't turn out to be the right time to be.
Our plans, for without you, we are nothing. Empower us through humbly.
Your life. At this point, I'd like to thank all our partners, all our speakers, and the entire organizing team for making this event possible.
Ako po pala si Zino Rapi, so from Pocari Sweat. Alam po natin medyo magbulat-bulat po tayo para mag-isip. Gising po ba lahat? Yes! Hello po? Hello po? Para mahina.
Hi!
Yes po. Sige po. Tayo po tayo lahat. Mag-stretching po tayo.
Pwede na siya yung mag-speak for me kasi parehas kang ganda. Diba? Di ba kayo nag-agree? Palakpakan niyo naman si Sarah. Galing-galing. Alright, kasama ko kasi sila palagi when we're doing the Live Healthier Lives. Some of you maybe recognize me kanina sa booth. Ayan, si Ma'am. I'm sure you've been attending na. We've been doing the Live Healthier Lives sessions in the entire Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. So probably, if you've attended one, you've seen me.
Oo, kasi ibibigay to.
Congratulations to Denver Bautista!
Doing? Okay naman. So right now, ako ay mag-demo ng simple meals about breakfast, lunch, dinner, sa panis. And then for the meals, how to do meal plan.
Nutrition so that they can apply this in. Or we've already talked about a personal trainer with over a decade.
Isang tao. Alright? So now, let's bahay. Makapaba, let's say, the president or the we try something, especially sa madamit. Right? Once we try something na bagay sa atin, we often again, importante, things that we can do on your own and share it with us from your part. Okay? Now, let's discuss paano ba natin mag-usap sa how we can overcome it or overcome those. Importante, one, set these goals. Define, ano ba yung gusto mangyari? Okay? Ito, recently sa office, ano natin discuss? Smart goals. Diba? Ano ba yung sabihin yung smart? Specific. Measurable. Attainable. Okay? R. Familiar. R. Yes, better. T. Time bound. Right? Hindi pwede mag-set tayo ng list goals na gusto ko lagi kasi nakawan ng activities sa mga bagay. Yun ang goal. Okay. Paano natin siya i-imagine?
So the major health problems today, according to the World Health Organization, in adults are as follows. We have a lot, but I would just want to name the top 7 or 8.
Today at our Live Healthier Lives Wellness Summit. Today,
Kami ngayon at ang mga friend ko. After namin mag-enjoy, busy naman sila. Oh.
signature.
Ito si pare. O, ito, ikaw, ito. Ito si pare. Ito ko ba? Ito si, ito, lagyan ko lang ang pangalan niya.
Tsura.
Oo, nakakainin.
Yung kaibigan mo, pasaway. Kumakain ako, ayaw niya akong pakainin.
Kakainin mo na? Kapag ka bumili niyan, ikaw yung kakainin mo agad ah.
Pasaway eh.
Na-video mo?
Gulat ako sa'yo eh.